I'm going to show you exactly how to select products yourself, right? So that's the help you need. It's kind of, I guess it's a bit cliche, but it's not giving a man a fish, but teaching him how to fish. It's the exact same thing. I have a strategy that I can teach you to validate a product instantly. Instantly, you'll be able to get onto Amazon, type in a keyword for the product that you're interested in, and then just go down the page. And I'm going to tell you just to count a few numbers and tell you what those numbers mean, and tell you whether or not you can actually compete and get on page one, or whether you can't, how much approximate sales you should be expecting. And then from that, once you've pre-qualified the actual product, then you can go in deeper, right? So for me, this course isn't about selecting product for you. It's about showing you how to select product yourself. And then you can do this over and over again, right? Over and over again. And this is kind of the beauty of this. One of the advantages that I had coming in coaching into AOE in 2016, when Neil contacted me, and he knew I was doing really well in my Amazon business, the famous potato masher business. At the time, I remember saying to him, no, I wasn't interested. But now I'm very grateful that I actually did that, because I had the opportunity to spend 5,000 hours looking at the Amazon screen, right? Plus, plus, plus. And that wasn't including everything else. So I start to see patterns. I start to see things, what happened on Amazon. This is why I can do a business listing critique and see little things that someone might miss. It's because I've seen the page so many times. I've seen what works, what doesn't, and I've been doing it myself, and I'm still doing it myself, right? So this is the big, big advantage. So I'm going to be teaching you how to look at all the devil that's in the detail, right? Because all the details is what matters. A lot of people miss out on detail. This reminds me, we just went for a walk down the road the other day, just yesterday, I think it was, Nina and I, and we saw this this sign on a building. It said change. Really nice building, big building. And I remember walking past it and thinking, I don't even know what that business is. It just said the word change. And I remember thinking, like, they got prime real estate. The real estate agent probably sold them the fact that this is prime real estate. So many people walk past here all the time, but they're not even taking advantage of that. It just says change. Then as I started looking closely, I was like, it's a yoga studio. But I couldn't even look close. I had to go to Google Maps and find out exactly what it was. It's like people are missing out on a lot of opportunity because that small detail they're actually missing out on. What's the point of paying so much money for this prime real estate if you're not going to use it and take it to your advantage? And it's the same thing with Amazon. That's prime real estate. There's millions and millions of people going to that site every single month, but we keep missing out. And how do we do that? Well, we have to focus on the detail and how we're basically representing our product and ourselves. So that's very important.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.